A bastard's bomb blew him up before he could blow up anyone else in Liverpool. Extremists, terrorists, Islamists out there, you made our birthlands into shitholes. But we will do anything necessary to make sure our adoptive mother, United Kingdom, remains safe. And extremists, terrorists, and Islamists can never step into this land. If you don't like this country, why the fuck do you come? You do not speak for my religion because Islam doesn't teach extremism, fanaticism, racism, and hooliganism. Here, rule of law prevails. Here, the parliament enacts laws. If you don't like us, why the fuck do you come here? We left our countries because you, Islamists, have made our countries shitholes and forbidden lands for us. You gave us up when our adoptive mother took us on board as her own, and we'll do anything necessary to make sure bastards out there can never step into our adoptive mother's land. Why the fuck do you come here?